Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Game from Scratch, and it is the first Tuesday of the month, and you know what that means. It is time for another Unreal Christmas. Another giveaway of Unreal assets happens the first Tuesday every month, and this month is no exception. So what we've got here is 5 assets that as long as you buy them before the first Tuesday of the next month, you buy them for $0, they are yours forever. And every month, I look at what we get. And what we got today is 5 assets plus 1 asset permanently free. That means there's no time limit on it. You can go and download that one anytime you want, and it is yours. It's just basically got a $0 price tag forever. And then we got 5 that have a $0 price tag for the next 30 days. So what do we got here? Well, the first one we've got is the generic radial menus V2.0 selection wheels and pie menus. If you've used Blender, or actually this is kind of the weapon select system in most modern games now, this is a system for implementing it. So there's 15 new radial textures in this new version, technical details, heavily comment to explain what's happening, easy to implement, robust and simple to customize. There's 14 blueprints to make this work, and it works with the input and mouse, the mouse and gamepad input on that one. Next up, we have the Medieval Kingdom. This one's pretty straightforward. It is a straight-out content pack, next-gen PBR 3D modular art asset pack containing hundreds of fully customized models to create your own RPG or RTS games with first-person or top-down approach. Nice-looking stuff, actually. I got to give them credit there. They've showcased their assets really well. Here we're looking at 28 buildings, 11 PBR grounds, 8 windows, portal shaft, props, and such, 40 of them. Food market, we've got rocks, mountains, and stones, vegetation, etc. So a whole bunch of content basically to go together to create these medieval scenes. So cool looking asset pack there. Normally there's an asset that shows all of the assets together, but not this time. Okay, so next up we have the root motion extractor. So what this one can do is extract root motion data and transfer it to in-place animation. So it's a way of transferring your animation from one animation to the next. They got some how-to instructions on go ahead doing this, including batch support. That features extracts movement, speed, right movement, forward movement, up movement, yaw, pitch, roll, right to animations, right to float, curve assets, easy to use interface, batch extraction, and bone capture implemented as 2 C++ classes. So this one's a straight-out utility for extending the functionality inside Unreal Engine so you can move animations between objects. Definitely a nice feature there. Another asset pack, very straightforward. This is the Tropical Jungle Pack. And once again, we don't have an... Oh, there it is. There's almost always one of these, kind of a showcase of all of the assets in this particular pack. A collection of high-quality, photorealistic tropical forest trees, I can't speak today, grass clusters, bushes, ferns, rocks, and river for creating a realistic forest. This one is implemented as 58 assets, capable of getting 60 plus frames per second on a GTX 1060. So you see here you're getting 12 trees, 2 dead tree trunks, 4 clovers, 4 ferns, 4 bushes, 6 grass, 11 jungle plants, 8 vines, 6 rocks, 1 river, and 1 falling leaves particle. And then we have the trucks and trailers pack. Game ready truck and trailers with attached detached system, good physics. Good for truck games with features that are written below. So here we see there's 12 blueprints behind the scenes, 6 different trailers, 1 high-quality truck, high-quality interior with animated steering wheel, animated dashboard, and so on. Ooh, this one is so ready to be asset flipped. Again, not a judgment on these assets here, but this one is kind of purpose-made for just creating a truck simulator game right out of the box. So yeah, we're definitely going to see some asset flips of this particular asset. So I believe that is the 5, and then we've got the permanently free pack, and this one is the African Animals pack. This is a set of 7 African animals. So what are we getting here? We're getting, is it a crocodile, or is it an alligator in Africa? I think it's a crocodile, so that probably means it's an alligator. We got elephants, we got hippos, we have lions, we have rhinos, we have zebras or zebras if you say it wrong. You see here, again, 7 characters. They are animated as well. Pretty low poly, actually, 4 to 5K per and 4K textures on them. Crocodile has 16 animations, 15, 8, 15, 15, 21, and 12. So definitely nicely animated. And hey, if you want to transfer the animations, you've got a tool for doing that as well. Now, once again, this last asset is, of course, in the permanently free collection. So no time limit at all on collecting that. And then, in addition to all of these assets we've got going on, we also have a flash sale happening right now. This is save 50% on selected products through August the 7th. This video is going up on August the 4th. So you have, let me see, 5th, 6th, 7th, 3 days left to handle that one. You see a number of different assets in here. Now, one of the funny things about these Unreal giveaways is it kind of makes the asset store less appealing because you're going to be like, All right, well, am I not going to get these anyways? And it's kind of a good argument in a way. It's like, why not just wait? Coincidentally, while we're here, I will showcase. If you want to grab the free stuff, free for the month stuff is showcased under free for the month right there. There's the five we just covered. And then the free permanently is available right here. I do wish they highlighted what the newest stuff was here. So it's a little tricky to figure out what's brand new here to add it to yourself. But you know what? That's a very small gripe overall. So if you want to grab the stuff, basically just come on in here, add everything to your cart, and then check it out, buy it for free, and it is yours forever. So another month of Unreal Engine giveaways. Is this tempting you yet? I ask that every month, and I think each month we get a little bit more, a couple more people that say, "Yeah, okay, this one got me," and it's a generous thing. It's really cool. I gotta imagine it again. It's probably cannibalizing their own market sales to a degree, but we got some nice stuff this month. So we got this new radial menu system, a medieval kingdom pack, a root motion extractor tool. This one was the tropical jungle pack. And then we've got the trucks and trailers asset flip waiting to happen pack. And then finally, we have the permanently free African animals pack. Definitely a nice collection. What did you like the best there? Really, in all honesty, there's nothing here that's really, um, I don't know, different. Nothing really worth showcasing in a video, in my opinion. So it's pretty straightforward what we were getting this week. And let me know what you thought of them. Has anything jumped out to you? And again, is this tempting you over to the Unreal Engine side of things? Let me know. Comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.